Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you a couple different ways to stash in your sewing machine needles. As you can see here, I've got a big variety of sewing machine needles, and they're all different points. So in order to store my sewing machine needles, I do one of two things. These I found at a garage sale. They were in with a bunch of sewing stuff I bought, and these are actually sewing machine needle cases. If you do use these type of sewing machine needles, you want to mark on the bottom with whatever method you want to use, whether it be paint or ink or Sharpie, whatever, what size needles they are. For fear if you can't find those, because you can always take a crayon box and store them in your crayon box. The crayon boxes are absolutely perfect size for storing sewing machine needles. So that's the different methods I have of storing my sewing machine needles, and I'll see you next video.